The B-type hinge is one of our most popular products for a reason. It is easy to install and reliable. Its range offers many different options, making it the most versatile slide-on hinge on the market. With the latest upgrade, it got even more adaptable to manufacturers' needs. So, what exactly did we do to make the B-type-i3 even better? Let's take a closer look. First of all, we wanted to offer best-in-class consistent soft closing throughout the life cycle of the hinge. Here, we were able to transfer the know-how we gained in developing our premium T-type hinge to the new B-type slide-on hinge. In terms of versatility, B-type-i3 now also functions perfectly at the lowest drilling depths. This means that it can be safely installed on thin doors. Damping design with a multi-step damper provides consistent closing action on various front sizes and weights. With the new damper, we assured consumer-preferred confident close. The new and improved damper in the B-type-i3 hinge delivers consistent and reliable opening and closing performance throughout 80,000 cycles. The hinge exceeds EU and US kitchen standards and meets the toughest requirements of loads and cycles. The extended life cycle of the new hinge makes it a reliable choice for different furniture types, from entry-level RTA furniture to bathroom vanities and kitchens. The new B-type-i3 hinge functions reliably on different door panels, from as low as 15mm and up to 22mm. This is important because all most commonly used applications in volume cabinet segments are covered. Our new generation multi-step damping technology guarantees a controlled damping action of various door sizes and weights without the need for damping adjustment. The main goal of all our innovations is making our customers and users happy. When we were fine-tuning our damping feature, our research showed that people generally prefer when the door closes fast initially and only decelerates at the very end to close softly and quietly. And this is exactly how our B-type-i3 hinge with integrated damping will close each time, thanks to its confident close system. B-type is a comprehensive family. There are more specific and unique solutions in the range like bifold hinge for pie-cut corner cabinets that support standard drilling patterns. On the same base plate, you can use a hinge with or without damping, meaning you can apply one damped and one non-damped on the same door. The B-type-i3 is now ready to compete in all furniture types. As you can see, the new and improved B-type hinge is now even more versatile and reliable than before. It has been tried and tested to make sure it will close reliably and consistently throughout its life cycle. Thanks to its low hinge cup, it can now be safely installed to even the thinnest cabinet doors. Its new premium damping feature will make sure that doors of different sizes close smoothly without the need for damping adjustment and with a consumer-preferred closing action.
In Titus, we adapt to trends and then we take the lead. That's why, in response to the growing demand for soft closing cabinet solutions, we wanted to offer a product that combines time efficiency with genuine product benefits. B-type-i3 slide-on hinge with premium damping is now ready to compete in all furniture types.